What they are looking at on the screen right now is the game changer for me, and I believe that by the end of this video, this will be the game changer for you too. Even if you are completely new to trading, all you need is this video guide, and I'm going to walk you step by step on how to take advantage of what you're seeing on the screen right now. When you get a buy signal right here, as you can see right here on my screen, okay, you see that we got the buy signal, and then we look for an entry targeting a 1 to 3 right here. We got a sell signal around this area. We entered a short trade targeting a 1 to 3 right here. Then we got another buy signal somewhere here. We went up this way targeting a 1 to 3. And if I scroll, let me just undo all of this. If I scroll through my chart history right here, you can see that we've taken trades like this in the past. And this is trading gold on the 15 minutes time frame, as you can see right here, using a free indicator on TradingView. And that is exactly what I want to walk you step by step on how to set up in this video. There is every possibility that you might have come across the indicator that I'm going to introduce to you, but the strategy itself is what you have not come across, right? Because each time this indicator gives you a buy signal, you see that the candles will change to green, and this candle will remain in that trend, because here the indicator is telling you that this market is trending upward, and the candle changing to green will remain until when the market is changing direction, as you can see right here. And then you see that the candles too will change to red, and then the market will remain in that trend until when you get another opposing signal, which is the buy, and the market eventually changes to green, and then it remains in that trend until it goes up. And if you now apply the stacking, because I'm trading gold currently and I stack trades for each of these buy signal, I take nothing less than 3 trades at a go. So if you are going to be stacking trades, then that will help you grow your little account faster. But that's not today. We're not talking about stacking trades. We're just talking about how to set up these indicators. Now, first and foremost, before I go into the details, if indicators are not working, guys, I won't go ahead to pay for 𝗥𝗘𝗙 indicator. I'm a premium subscriber with a 𝗥𝗘𝗙, and I'm making videos about this 𝗥𝗘𝗙 indicator already on the channel, because they have a lot of indicators. If, for instance, you are going with the premium pack right here, you can see that they have a whole lot of indicators that you get access to. If you want to go with the ultimate pack, you get access to a whole lot more, including AI and free credit that you can use to automate tradings, right? So indicators are working. I'm not saying don't go and learn smart money concept, don't go and learn ICT trading, don't go and learn whatever strategy that you're currently learning. But while you are learning, these things are free. All right, I'm not saying go and pay for 𝗥𝗘𝗙. For those who want more, they can go for the 𝗥𝗘𝗙 indicator. But what I'm showing you in this video is actually free. You can use it in TradingView, and you can use a free TradingView account to use this same system that I'm going to introduce to you today, right? So indicators are working. It is just you who is not using it the right way. Even if they are lagging, okay, even if they lag, they will still give you an opinion. They will still give you like close to 100% what you should do in the market. All right, so with that being said, if you are new here, if you are seeing my video for the first time, well, this is the channel where we teach you simple strategies, teach you about indicators, and how to be profitable trading crypto and the forex market. And if you are wondering, if you want to trade crypto, trade indices, forex, gold, all of these in one place, then Bybit is that go-to. I'll leave a link in the video description where you get access to a welcome bonus of up to $30,000, depending on how big you are coming in. All right, so you can use that link to go claim all of the freebies and get access to Bybit. And with Bybit, you can be able to trade crypto, trade forex, trade gold, commodities, stocks, all of that inside one place. And we have made videos about all of these that it will teach you how to do all of that. So make sure you check out our other videos. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit notification bell, so that whenever we publish videos like this, you will be the first to be notified. And if you are not on the Telegram platform, guys, the link to join us on Telegram will be in the video description. And lastly, before we go into details, if you want to get funded up to $200,000 to trade crypto, then HyroTrader is the go-to. It is the proof firm that I currently use, and I'm trading a 200k account with the HyroTrader platform. The link to get a 20% discount will equally be in the video description. So with that being said, let's jump right into the strategy. So the first thing you want to do is you need a TradingView account. A free account is enough. But if you want more, if you're like 𝗥𝗘𝗙 and you want more, you can go ahead. If you don't want ad popping up on your chart every now and then, and if you want to get access to more tools, then you can go ahead and pay for TradingView. But this strategy I'm teaching you can actually give you money to start paying for TradingView if you want to. So if you don't have a TradingView account, use the link in the video description to create a free TradingView account. And after you've logged into your TradingView account, open any asset of your choice. In my own case, I'm using gold. And once you open asset of your choice, go to the 15 minutes time frame. And once you go to the 15 minutes time frame, the next thing is to add up these indicators that I have on the chart. So go to the indicator tab right here and then click on it. If you don't see indicators written in Word, you will see the icon right here, and if you hover it, it will tell you indicators, metrics, and strategies. So go ahead and click on whatsoever you see right here. So once you click on it, on the search bar here, you want to go ahead and type in here 𝗘𝗏𝗊𝗀. Sorry, I said UT, not UB. 𝗘𝗏𝗊𝗀 alert. So go ahead and type 𝗘𝗏𝗊𝗀 on the chart. So once you type 𝗘𝗏𝗊𝗀 right there, you will see this particular indicator here, 𝗘𝗏𝗊𝗀 alert by 𝗕𝗲𝗀, right? And you can see the number of people using this indicator. You can see these are the number of times or number of persons that have added these indicators to their chart. So it means that it's actually working. And once you add this to your chart, this is what it looks like. Okay, this is how messy it is, right? And there are people who use it like this. But I'm going to show you how to clean up this to have a very clean chart, just like what you see on my chart right now. So once you see this the indicator right here, go ahead and click on it twice to add it up to your chart. So you add it twice, not just once. Add the 𝗘𝗏𝗊𝗀 alert indicator twice to your chart. Once you add it up to your chart, the next thing is the setup, right? Guys, if you are getting value from this video, give me a thumbs up, right? Give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up because I want this to reach as many persons as possible, and it is your interaction, your likes that will make others to see this, because there are a lot of people who are struggling to become profitable trader, and indicator or this particular strategy can actually help them, to achieve success towards what they are trying to do. And I believe you too will achieve that. So smash that like button so that this video can reach as many persons as possible, and leave a positive comment as well. All right, now once you are here, you see the whole buy sell, all of those buy sell signals on your chart. But just go ahead and click on the setting icon on one of the indicator, the first one, and then go to the input tab. So once you click on the setting, this dialog box pops up. Go to the setting tab, and here the key value here for the first indicator, change it to 6, and then the ATR period, change it to 1. And after that, go to the style option and uncheck the buy button, right? Uncheck the buy signal right here. This by default, this will be checked. So go ahead and uncheck this, and after that, scroll down here and click OK, right? That's all we need to do with this first indicator. And then on the second indicator, go ahead and open up the setting as well. And once you click on the setting, this dialog box pops up. So on the input tab right here, go ahead and change this key value to 4. Remember, any of these indicators, one should be 6, the key value should be 6, and then the other one should be 4. Like this one, change it to 4, and then the ATR for this one is 300. The first one we did was just 1, and this one we change it to 300. And then when you go to the sell option, go ahead and uncheck the sell signal, right? So that you don't get sell signal from this particular indicator. Scroll down right here and then click on OK, and that is all we need. And this will be able to guide us to be able to look for buys and look for sales as we keep chatting or keep monitoring our chart and start taking trades. And the best part is that you can set alert on this. Okay, set alert for sell signals, set alert for buy signals, and whenever you get alert, you come and look at it, and if the conditions, everything you're looking at are met, you go ahead and take a buy trade. Now, if you check this, what the 𝗘𝗏𝗊𝗀 does is that when it gives a buy signal, the 𝗘𝗏𝗊𝗀 indicator equally is a trend following indicator. When it gives a buy signal, it keeps following the trend of the market, and the candles on your chart will change to green. And when it gives you a sell signal, it tells you that the market is changing direction, and you see that the candles on your chart too will equally change to red. And that is exactly what you see happening on the chart throughout. Now, how do you get the best out of this? Because as you can see, for this particular sell, we didn't go that far, and then immediately market reverses and started going up. And this one too, since my target, if you check here, all of my trades, I'm always targeting at least 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio, as you can see right here, 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. So for this particular sell, this wouldn't have given you up to that. This buy too, you wouldn't have gotten up to 1 to 3. So how do you actually filter this out? Now, this is where market structure comes in. Market structure works in fact, market structure is the basic of every strategy out there. It is the mother of every strategy out there. If you don't understand market structure, when the market is in an uptrend, when the market is in a downtrend, when the market is in a sideways move, you will make a lot of mistakes, and you'll keep dashing your money to the market, right? So as you can see right here, the whole of this area right here, guys, the whole of this area right here, if I take my trend line, I pick it from here, from this low right here up there, you can see that this market has actually been trending upward. And I can equally take that again. You can see that this market has been trending upward. And when the market is trending upward, what you are looking for, whenever there is a pullback, don't take the sell signals, only take the buy signal, only make the trend your friend. In trading, the trend is your friend. So follow the trend, all right? Follow the trend and you will never get any regrets. And the reason for this sell trade that you see right here, you see that we have been following this trend on that until that trend got broken. With this impulsive move, you can see how big this candle is, right? And then in the next candle, we decided to enter a short trade and then putting our stop loss just above that level. And that is how this trade was able to give us this profit we see right here. And if you check right here, if I wanted to take, if this didn't happen, as we are entering the weekend, then I would have equally taken this trade. Why would I have taken this trade? Because after we had this massive sell-off right here, you see this candle wick here, which is something I equally pay attention to. Whenever you see a wick like this, it means that the market has come to clear liquidity right here and is moving up. Why? Because there are a lot of orders, there are a lot of buy orders. Why the market was selling off, there were a lot of buy orders right here. That's why this market was quickly bought up immediately. And what happened after market bought up, it came to close up this gap right here and then it came back down. Now you can see right here, this is the lowest point the market went to. And then this is the second low. Is this low lower than this? No. All right. So when you know market structure, that market is about to change trend, though you can look at the overall break of structure, change of character and the rest. But as a scalper, this is what I want to look at. And because I depend on this indicator, these are some of the things I pay attention to in the market. All right. And what happens right here, you can see if I bring in my trend line right here, I take it from here up there, you can see that the market too is beginning to change direction around this area. So what I can wait to see is, you see this gap right here, definitely market is coming to fill in that gap right there. So now that I got a buy signal, is a good indicator or indication that I should be looking for buys around this area. So if I get a pullback when the market opens, if I get a pullback right here, I'm going to be looking for buy until we get a signal in the opposite direction. It is as simple as that. So what will keep you making money 90 to 99% of the time is spotting out the trend, the market structure, the trend of the market at that particular time that you're trading, whether you're trading on the 15 minutes time frame, hourly time frame, daily time frame, 1 minute or even 1 second time frame. Market structure cuts across all time frames, and that is what you need to understand. And if you understand it with the setup that I've showed you in this particular video with these indicators, then you'll be able to consistently make money in the market. And for the sell trade too, you can see right here that this market was actually trending down, as you can see right there. And that is how we took these two trades around this area. So just spot out the trend of the market, even if the market is not giving you, the kind of trend you're looking for, as long as there are levels that, for instance, look at this area right here. After the market started selling, we consolidated here for a while, and you can see this particular area here on this 15 minutes time frame, the market is equally trending upward. And what happened? We got this massive move around this area. And the last thing I need to show you, maybe I'm going to make a separate video about that. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to teach you how to stack trades. I currently use this strategy to trade only gold, right? I currently use this particular strategy. I'm teaching you to trade gold since I discovered it. And what I normally do is to stack trades. I take a minimum of 3 trades per entry, right? So as the market continues to move in my favor, I'll keep closing some of the positions until when it gets to full TP. I'm not closing all. The remaining ones, I will move the TP lower or higher depending on the direction I'm taking, and I'll keep following that trend until it proves otherwise. All right, that way I'll be able to make money. So if I open like 3, 4, 5 trades here, maybe by this 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio, I would have closed 3 positions already, and then the remaining 2, I will let it run with stop loss slightly below or above entry. Slightly below entry if I'm taking a short trade, and then slightly above entry if I'm taking a long trade. So if you need me to make a video about how to actually stack trades when you're trading gold or any other FX pairs, then let me know and I'll make a video about that. Let me know in the comment section and I'll make a video about that. So if you have gained value from this video so far, guys, can you help me smash that like button? I told you that I want this video to reach as many people as possible. All right, some of you, if I asked you to pay to teach you some of these things, you will not. So just smash that like button. To take you up to a second, smash that like button, leave a comment, and let this video reach as many people. You can equally share it. Actually share the video with your friends and family members so that they can actually learn from it. And if you don't understand, please watch the video again, and let me know in the comment section what you want me to make video about next. If you want me to teach you how to stack trees, then let me know. And if you want to join my community, my private community, all you need is a Bybit account, fund the account, and you'll be able to join us as well. So that is it for this video, guys. If you have gained value from it, give it a thumbs up, go and try it out, and come let me know. Maybe after a week or two, come let me know if this worked for you or not. That is it for this video, guys. Remember, the indicator is completely free, though if you want more, if you are like Oliver Twist and you want more, you want to use more advanced features, go ahead and try out the 𝗥𝗙𝗙. The link will be in the video description. I'm going to make a video about it as well, so links will be in the video description. All of the references, links to all of the platform I mentioned will be in the video description. I'll see you guys in my next video. For now, go try out this and start making money for yourself, and don't forget to subscribe before you go, because I actually see that a lot of people who are not subscribed to my channel, more of you watch the video and you fail to subscribe. It doesn't cost money. Just subscribe to the channel and encourage me as I keep making free content like this, and I'll see you in the next video.